I am doing the dishes today. Dang, y'all can't see me. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I'm winding it up. I think that's the highest it goes. Okay. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm in here in the dishwasher because Naya wasn't feeling too good. So yeah, I'm about to load the dishwasher. As y'all can see, I've been on my getting my shit together type shit. So I can be on my bruh. Well, I miss hot girl summer. I guess I was a hot mom for the summer. So yeah, but one of the twins is looking at me like I'm crazy. That's because she minding my business. Yeah, she's minding my business. If you didn't know, now you know I'm in a relationship with coffee. Yeah, I didn't really want much, y'all. Y'all can just watch me load this dishwasher real quick. If you do or you don't, I mean, it's up to you really, but yeah, that's what I'm doing, so.
I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming on the dance floor. I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming on the dance floor. Tell me you still remember.
Okay guys, so this is my horrible refrigerator that we are supposed to be eating out of, which I find very disgusting and unorganized. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. It's the beginning of the month. I need to go grocery shopping. Today is only the 3rd, so do not come for me, okay? So we will have some food in our refrigerator today or tomorrow. If you need an update, I will provide that for you. Anyways, so yeah, I'm gonna clean my refrigerator, you guys. It's disgusting. See? There was a spill in here, like, it's gross. Yeah, and I can't seem to eat out of it because it's that gross. And this is actually my oldest, her responsibility when she's cleaning the kitchen, but she kind of dropped the ball. She didn't kinda, she did. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it because I can't do this anymore. So, come on, let's get into it. And y'all gonna see my ass the remaining time of the video because my refrigerator, the way it's, where it was placed at in my place, this little barrier, this whatever you want to call it, the separator from the kitchen to the living room, it prevents us from opening the refrigerator door all the way. So sometimes when I want to clean the refrigerator out and get in there real good, I pull it out, but it's not that bad and I don't have that much time today. So again, I'm just gonna, and so let's go.
Tell me you still remember. One day we'll be together. It's you and me forever. Dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor.
Here's all the condiments that I took out of the refrigerator, as well as over here. Got some veggies, fruit, and eggs. I think I'm gonna have to pull it out because I need to pull these out, and as you can see, they just came right out because the camera is rolling. And, oh wow, they really showing off. I was getting ready to say that one ain't gonna come out. Okay, hold on, make my life easier. That's what I thought. Okay, so I got all 3 out. So, I mean, yeah, the refrigerator want to show out. That's cool because it showed out in my favor. And now I get to just go ahead and tackle these. I really don't pull these ones out unless they're like filthy underneath, and I think they are. Yeah, so I will be pulling those out as well. So, let me get to one.
I just sit back, watch her pose like Mona Lisa. She switch it up on me, I cannot keep her. I just caught amnesia. She don't need a nigga for a damn thing. A damn thing. She motivated for a campaign. A campaign. Thought I had her, but the plans changed. What a damn shame. Guess I stay up in my own lane. Watch the lamps. Let's just take a break for now. See your colors on display for now. Seeing all over your face right now. I can't let it get away, so now. So I gotta let her know it's not the last time, not the past times. Oh well, girl, that's fine, I know that that's mine. Just let me know you need some action.
Hey y'all, so this is what it's looking like after I have cleaned off the shelves and removed the glass and cleaned it and cleaned them, I should say, and then placed them back onto the racks. Next, I am gonna go ahead and get into these dirty, filthy, disgusting things. And then also these right here.
She don't give a who gets offended. Who gets offended. She said, hey, let's just take a break for now. Yeah, I heard she caught away for now. She ain't tryna play safe for now, but I can let her get away, so now I gotta let her know, before my heart turns cold, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Beyond words can't describe how you ignite this fire so deep inside. Got me hot like the summer. Ooh, ooh. Really, no one even knows me like you do. There's not many in my circle, so few. Love how you're my friend and not just a fool. Love it when you say that you're here to stay. I get you mad, but it don't push you away.
Okay guys, so this is the clean refrigerator tour. Everything has been cleaned out. It's now spick and span. Although my floor is dirty now, but that's okay, we just mop it. Get in there real nice and good. Yeah, so I'm very proud about this. Makes a bitch wanna cook. Bruh. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean. Well, we're not gonna do it, but I will go ahead and get rid of anything that's expired, wipe this stuff down, put it back in, and then I'll just show you guys what it looks like when it's all restocked. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished touch of the refrigerator. Restocked with everything that we had in it before I cleaned it. Grapes, blueberries, oranges, and then our veggies in here. Spinach, what is that, garlic, cucumbers, mini cucumbers, lettuce, peppers, sweet peppers, avocado. Got 2 White Claws or whatever. Those been in there since forever.
Should I use this one?
3 water bottles. We just had 24 like yesterday. That's how much water we drink in this house. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Promo juice, some iced coffee. We got some Imperial. We got tofu because I'm really considering going back full pescatarian. I just have my reasons. If you guys want me to talk to you about that, I will. Let me know in the comment section. Excuse me. Before I had that thought, I actually went and picked up this plant-based just eggs. Yeah, so as you can see, I am trying to get back on it. Eggs for the kids. I'm not gonna force them to do that again. It was a nightmare for them. And then just some condiments up there, some Pillsbury dough cookies, our cheeses, oh my god, my battery about to die, and all of our condiments. So yeah, the refrigerator is clean and we are back in business. The freezer, that's a whole nother story. No, it's clean. It's just not organized at all. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for joining me on my little clean out my dirty ass refrigerator video. And yeah, have a great one.
I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming, dreaming on the dance floor. I still remember the feeling. I wanna dance till I can't no more. All of this time I've been dreaming, dance floor, dance floor. Tell me you still remember. One day we'll be together. It's you and me forever. Dreaming on the dance floor, dance floor.